Hi, my name is Addie Lewis, and I am majoring in kinesiology. This is my presentation over the health of college students. This is a problem because college students are struggling every day to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This is mainly because transitioning from high school to college is really difficult. What gets in the way of college students achieving this? This is struggling financially, limited resources, an unhealthy meal plan, away from family members, and less support. Regional and national and global perspective. It shows that when young adults go off to college, their health declines overall globally. In most colleges, they are offering helpful ways to help these college students who have a hard time of taking care of their overall health. These consist of free food catering, college events that offer socializing, and if it's a Christian school, then they have services that distract and help students improve their mental and physical health. These are the statistics that I found in my references. The data of a college student's overall health consists of 5.2% of students using alcohol daily in 2020, 11.2% of students using marijuana daily in 2020, and 1.4% of them suffer with addiction or abuse in 2018. Ways to be involved. Students will have access to any therapist on campus to fulfill their mental and physical needs. There are always healthy options at a school cafeteria to match your nutrition and lifestyles. Even though I said that some of the meal plans can be unhealthy, there are also almost always a salad bar at most schools, or just like healthy things to pick at. The last one is to stay active to keep not only your physical but mental health in check. This is because, not only are you working on your physical fitness, but it also releases endorphins in your head and you feel like a better overall person. And these are my references. And yeah. Thank you for watching my presentation.